And Muhammadu Buhari, you said something and I watched it on Channels TV. You said that when you leave, you have established a relationship with Niger and other of your neighbors, that Katsina axis. That when you leave office, anybody that want to disturb you, that Niger will defend you. Is it that you are trying to tell us that that is where you are from? Because I don't understand. What the president said, I watched the video. I don't know if you have watched this video.
So I will just say what I believe about the customs. Please note that from Lake Chad to Benin is more than 1,600 kilometers. Only God can effectively guard that border. So you need a person who will have the energy and the competence to effectively supervise. And I deliberately closed the borders because knowing Nigerians, they order rice and give some Niger address, and then they bring the rice here. And with our land and our potentialities, God, we thank God, Nigeria is favored. We have people, we have land, we have weather. How many nations are so lucky as Nigeria in the world? Very few nations are as lucky as we are. We thank God for that. So closing that border, 1,600 kilometers, more than that, from Lake Chad to Benin. And Nigeria insists that they have to impress their neighbors and other people that they eat foreign rice. I said, no rice. You either you eat what you grow what you eat, or you die. I think I tried to make my point. And later, Nigeria appreciated it because it provides more jobs. People go back to the land. We have the land, and we produce what we eat. Let whoever grow excess rice eat his own rice or sell it somewhere else, but not to Nigeria. And for people who think that our neighbors can be a nuisance, okay, there's nothing you can do with our neighbor. That was why when I became the head of state, of the president, my first visit was to Niger, Chad, and Cameroon. Because neighborhood based on personal and national issue is very important. If you don't secure the confidence and cooperation of your neighbor, you are in trouble. If you are not in trouble, your children and grandchildren will be in trouble. So it's very good. I established the relationship with my neighbors. I said this, a few things about my personal belief, because I have only 6 more days to go. And I try to plan to be as far away from Abuja as possible. And thank goodness I came from an area which is farthest away from Abuja. I said, if anybody false move, I establish good relationship with my neighbors. The Niger people will defend me. Thank you very much.
He says that he deliberately closed the border so that we can grow what we are eating. To me, I would say, fine, what you did is right to you. But to me, what I will say is that it's of no impact. If you ask me, you say you want us to grow what we eat here, right? Now, you say you want the farmers to be going to the farm, that we have the land, we have the water resources, every resources to grow what we eat here. Now, what security measures have you provided for the farmers to go to the farm? Or you didn't hear that farmers are in the farm and they attack them? Or you didn't hear that farmers are in here, they attack them? Or this one? Are you not hearing of the clashes? You say farmers should go to farm. Okay, fine. Farmers are going to farm. The ones that can even go to farm, they grow rice and everything. Even the fact that we are growing rice, we stop importation of rice. What impact has that got to do with the prices of rice in the country? Have the prices of rice decreased or increased? And you don't even understand this country. Whatever has gone up will not come down. Yes, the price of rice has gone up. Even if you leave office today, the price will still go up. It will not come down. Even if they open the border tomorrow. I don't understand. You make policies that you feel it's okay for you. You are leaving, you want to collect $800 million. For what? They are just collecting money. Every ministry is cashing out. After all, they will say, is it not after everything case, they will come and let's do case? Me, I don't know. But in case you have not heard why Buhari closed the border, share this video, let them watch this thing that Buhari said. That this is the reason why he closed the border. And this is the reason why rice has become something else. Even as I'm talking, some people will say I don't have sense. Look at what Buhari said. Now, it's not me. He said he closed the border so that we can grow what we eat. And we are, despite the fact that we have grown the rice is still expensive. Some of us don't know this thing. That's why when the news come, my own is to digest the news, bring it to you so that you can. It's like a channel for you to see. When you see this news, all you need to do is share the video so the video can even go around. Let everybody see what he's going. Now, what I'm going to do, because if I post something about President Muhammadu Buhari, some people will say, why are you talking about the president? I'm talking about him because it's not like I want us to know whether he did. This is out. It's like when you are passing out from a class, I have your score sheet. So what I will do is, I think I'll even go to the market. Let me go and do an interview of people. Let me see whether it's only me that is complaining. Let me go and meet people in the market. These are the sellers of all these goods and services. We'll go to the market. I will do an interview. Ask people what they think. If the impact, if he has done well in their business or not. Let me even go out. Let me just go out and check. So I will be doing a video. I'll be going to the market, do an interview. I will do that interview. Let me get the feedback from people. I'll post it so that you can see it and share it. Let everybody see it. Share this video. Let everybody see. I don't have sense. I know. I agree. But I'm the spice creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.